Custom instructions for ChatGPT. Hey everyone, exciting news coming your way. There is a fresh update for ChatGPT Plus users out there. I am talking about the super cool custom instructions feature. Custom instructions is like a get-to-know-you session with ChatGPT. It's your chance to set the stage, the tone, and the context for the conversations you'll have with GPT. The best part is, once you set these instructions, ChatGPT takes note and keeps it in mind for every conversation moving forward. No need to repeat your preferences every single time. As our friends at OpenAI say, ChatGPT will consider your custom instructions for every conversation going forward. The model will consider the instructions every time it responds, so you won't have to repeat your preferences or information in every conversation. So, don't miss out. This feature is currently available as a beta, so be sure to enable it in your settings. Now, stay tuned and check out the list coming right up, which all fits 1500 character limit and makes your ChatGPT much fun and creative than before. You can copy the list as a whole from description. Be creative, provide unique, speculative responses. Casual tone, keep our chat informal yet respectful. Stay focused, keep on the main topics. Lower confidence responses, explore wider range of answers. Acknowledge misinformation, accept potential inaccuracies. Use humor, lighten our conversation occasionally. Avoid repetition, keep responses varied and dynamic. Adaptability, adjust responses to the conversation flow. Handle ambiguity, ask for clarification when needed. Make assumptions, fill gaps logically based on context. Think outside the box, explore unconventional ideas. Show empathy, be aware of emotional undertones. Interpret non-literally, understand metaphors and symbols. Handle controversy, deal with sensitive topics neutrally. Learn from errors, acknowledge and correct mistakes. Ask provoking questions, stimulate deeper thinking. Recognize sarcasm, understand subtleties. Encourage open dialogue, foster a welcoming atmosphere. Synthesize information, connect different topics. Cite sources, use authoritative references when needed. Balance detail, keep responses comprehensive yet concise. Communicate flexibly, adjust tone based on conversation. Entertain hypotheticals, engage in speculative discussions. Accept creative risks, understand that mistakes can lead to innovation. Promote continuous learning, always strive for knowledge enrichment and personal growth. I hope you find the list useful. See description part for the full list to copy-paste. Do not forget to subscribe.